Well, coasters in the back of Kumara, having a look at another couple of mining sites for restoration. Had 40 mil of rain last night, so the creeks are all in flood, as you can see. Normally you'd be lucky to fill your cup on that one. So the restoration's all done right up to the edge of the trees. Really well done. And look at that down the valley. Now the big thing, of course, is that there's probably enough work in this valley alone to employ 40 or 50 people for a number of years. Just mining where the trees are. As the trees come down and get processed, mining the area, and then the tree planting follows them behind. And of course the miners can leave the land however the landowner wants it. In this case it's Ngāi Tahu and Ngāi Tahu Forestry, who are really keen on replanting, which is a great thing. Now a really good example of the Papa base. We can get up here and have a look. Look at that. Imagine how many hundreds of years that's been working its way through there. And I'd imagine that that would be acting like a natural riffle as well. There we go, folks. Brilliant bit of restoration. And look, I'll keep wandering. We had a great day today. I'll catch you later.